Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node.js installed and a running database instance. Create a project folder, run npm init, and install your chosen driver or ORM, PG, MySQL2, Mongoose, or Prisma. Once done, add a env to store db host, db user, db pass, and db name. Keep it out of source control. Make an initial connection file that reads env variables, exports a connected client or a connection pool, and logs success or error for immediate feedback. Now make the connection robust. Use a connection pool, set timeouts, and handle reconnect logic so your app remains stable under load. Define your data model, schemas for MongoDB or models and migrations for SQL, and include field types, validation, and indexes to optimize queries. If using an ORM, generate migrations and run them in dev. Otherwise, keep SQL migration scripts. Make sure to centralize queries or repository functions to separate concerns and ease testing. Implement create, read, update, and delete operations using parameterized queries or prepared statements to avoid SQL injection. Structure async /await calls with try/catch and return consistent error objects. Close or release connections in finally blocks. Once working, write unit and integration tests against a test database or in memory DB, then instrument monitoring for latency and connection counts. If you hit issues, a key troubleshooting step is to enable query logging and replicate the failing query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.